Hello everyone, I'm Beaver. I'm a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. This is my baby. He's called SFT15. I'm very proud to mention him because he's so popular. Why? Let me tell you the reason. First, he can cut metal at high speed. He uses high-speed cutting technology, and the saw blade can rotate at a speed of more than tens of thousands of revolutions per minute, thus achieving efficient cutting of difficult-to-process materials such as titanium alloys, compared with ordinary speed cutting. High-speed cutting can increase the material removal rate per unit time by about 35%, improving processing efficiency. Second, he has high precision. He is equipped with a high-precision control system, which can achieve precise cutting and ensure that the cut parts have high dimensional accuracy and good consistency. His CNC system can set the minimum value to 0.1 millimeter, and the precision display recognition is as high as 0.01 millimeter, which meets the needs of high-precision processing. Third, he is very reliable. He uses advanced mechanical systems and control systems, with a long service life and high reliability. This means that he can operate stably for a long time, reduce the failure rate, and improve production efficiency. Fourth, he is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. He adopts an efficient and energy-saving design, which reduces energy consumption and conforms to the concept of modern green manufacturing. At the same time, the most critical detail is that due to the increase in cutting speed, most of the heat generated is taken away by the chips, which reduces the heat on the surface of the workpiece, reduces thermal deformation and residual stress. Fifth, he is safe. He is equipped with a number of safety measures, such as protective covers, emergency stop buttons, etc., to prevent accidents during work. These measures ensure the safety of operators and reduce the risk of work-related injuries. Sixth, he has a wide range of applications. He can not only cut titanium alloys, but also cut different types of metal materials, such as steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, etc. His adaptability enables him to meet the processing needs of different fields and industries. Seventh, he has a high degree of automation. He can realize automatic loading, feeding, unloading, and other automated operations, reducing manual intervention and labor costs. At the same time, his processing residues, iron chips, emulsion separation, and chip removal system also ensure the cleanliness and hygiene of the operating environment. I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. I have many children, and they all have special skills. Who is my next baby? Where will he travel and adventure? What is his personality? What he can do? And in which country he works? I will tell you the first time.